Here are some distinguishing features of Planeria that can help with identification. 1. Body shape. Planeria have a flattened, elongated body that is wider in the middle and tapers at both ends. 2. Coloration. Planeria can be brown, gray, black, or white, and some species have distinctive patterns or markings. 3. Eye spots. Planeria have 2 eye spots located near the front of their body that can detect light and help them navigate their environment. 4. Regeneration. Planeria have the ability to regenerate lost body parts, including their head, tail, and even internal organs. 5. Habitat. Planeria are found in freshwater habitats, such as ponds, streams, and rivers. 6. Feeding behavior. Planeria are carnivorous and feed on small invertebrates, such as insects, crustaceans, and other worms. 7. Movement. Planeria move by gliding along a layer of mucus that they secrete, using tiny hair-like structures called cilia. 8. Reproduction. Planeria can reproduce both sexually and asexually, depending on the species. Some species can even reproduce by splitting themselves in half.